friends, hello, welcome to your online classes. Hope you all are fine. So you know that we have already finished chapter 2. The prose, how the dog found himself a new master. Okay, from your textbook Honeysuckle. So as we have finished the chapter, today I am going to discuss exercise A. Today I am going to discuss exercise A. If you have the book with you, then open it and watch the video and listen how I am asking you to do or helping you actually to complete your homework by yourself. Okay, so the exercise A, the instruction is discuss this question in pairs before you write the answers. So here it is written that you have to discuss with your friends about these things. Now you can't discuss that, so think that ma'am is the friend, so ma'am is discussing and then we are just writing the answer. You have to think like this. Okay, so the first question is number 1. There are total 5 questions, and as I am telling that after every question within the brackets the para number is mentioned. So sometimes a single para, sometimes 2 paras, name is means number is also there. First question is, why did the dog feel the need for a master? Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Para number 1 and 2. So the dog was very sick, then he was not very willing to find his food regularly, and he needs someone stronger than him. That's why that is the actual, that is the basic point. So you have to once you start writing this answer, before that just read exercise para number 1 and 2, though it is written here 2, but para number 1 is most important here. Okay, now one thing, don't make the mistake here. The question starts with did and the main verb is here feel, so you know you have to write in past tense. Okay, don't make the mistake, at least here after doing several chapters, several grammars, don't make these silly mistakes. Okay, now number 2, who did the first choose as master? Who did he first choose as his master? So you know the answer. This is a single sentence answer. It will be, why did he leave that master? Now you have to discuss. This is para number 3. You have to write 2 or 3 sentences about that, about the reason why he left the master. Again the question star did is there, so don't forget to write in past tense. Basically the main verb will be in past tense, you know that. Okay, synchronize, you have to maintain, you have to remember that first he met with this, then second he met with him, or then the third he met with him, and the last what happened. This synchronize should be in your mind. Okay, you may be getting the rumbling noise of the thunder. Okay, that is very common in this season. Now question number 3, who did he choose next? Means first whom he chose, and the second after him, means after the first means number second, who was the second master. This is written in para number 5. This is a single sentence answer. There is nothing to discuss. You have to write in full sentence about the answer. Okay, now number 4, why did he serve the lion for a long time? Para number 8. You have to write para number 8, that why did he serve the lion for such a long time than his others chosen masters. Okay, so para number 8, just as lion was stronger than any animals in the forest, so first this is the reason, and as he was the servant of the lion, he was staying with the lion, so nobody ever dared to come near him, or no one is telling anything to him, and the most important thing, that is the food. Then he was there is available food for him also. All the reasons are mentioned in exercise para number 8. Just read the para number, then write the answer. Here is also again the same thing, did, so main verb should be in past tense. Number 5, who did he finally chose as his master and why? You know, here the story is related that I told, not only this one, about that Hachiko. So who did he finally chose his master? One answer, single sentence, and why? And why? Para number 9 and 10. And why? You have to find out that why the lion, if you know the answer, that why the lion tried to hide or tried to flee from the place, then you will come to know that what was the possible reason that the dog finally chose his master, and he just afterward throughout his life he just stayed with his master. Okay, so you all are very good, you know how to write. I expect that you will write the answers very carefully. Don't make the silly mistake like the past tense, as every question, there are 5 questions, every question it is did, so the main verb will be in past tense. Okay, that's the only thing. And whenever you are reading the question, after that the para numbers are mentioned. Before you write or before you start writing your answer, just go through the paras. It will help you to frame the answer. Then if any problem is there, let me know. I'm always there to help you. Okay, bye bye students, take care of yourself.